Hey guys, and welcome to the channel. Having trouble with Pushcut webhooks? Let's fix those misconfigurations in a few steps. First of all, you need to verify your webhook URL. Ensure the webhook URL is correct. You can go ahead to the account at the bottom right, and then you're gonna see right here the webhook, and you're gonna see basically the ID, and you can post that ID to verify that this URL is correct. As you can see right here, trigger your notifications by posting to this, right? API pushcut.io and slash the code excuse me, that's been generated by Pushcut. All right, and you need to verify it by using third party like a browser. Okay, next what you're gonna do, check authentication, right? Make sure that the webhook and the API key right here, if you click the API key, make sure they're match, right? Ensure it's included in the headers or body of your request, right? Verify it matches the one in the Pushcut settings. Okay, now you can see right here the webhook, and you're gonna see the ID, right? Make sure that the API matches, or at least verifies that this is your original URL. Next, what you're gonna do, go back to the screen, make sure that you updated the app to the latest version. Ensure that both Pushcut and the third-party service you're using are updated to their latest version to avoid compatibility issues, and that should fix your problem. If it didn't, what you're gonna do, go ahead and hold right here the Pushcut app, click remove, double click to remove, and re-download the app from your App Store or Google Play, and that should fix it. That's it. Your webhook should now work perfectly. If you're still stuck, let me know in the comments below. See you in the next one.